Hello everyone, you have Royce here and welcome to our channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, like I promised, I'm going to show you another species of Sansevierias, and the name of the species is downsii. Like I shown you before, I have shown you the species coming from Kitonga. That's the species with the Ersnt Specks collection number, ES 20424 and ES 20425. Those are Kitongas, and they look like downsii. However, what I'm showing you right now is the species downsii itself. So I'm going to discuss some difference between the the species that were found in Kitonga and the species downsii itself. So as you can see right now, I'm focusing on my downsii. This is the only downsii species that I have, and it is planted directly to the ground. I'm going to move backward so you can see the whole size of the plant. Alright, so as I'm moving backwards, you will observe that, like what I've said, it's planted directly into the ground, and it is a very large plant. I have planted it directly to the ground because I am foreseeing that this downsii of mine will keep on stacking its leaves. So as it keeps on stacking its leaves, it will grow very tall, and as I have seen on the other downsii pictures from friends and acquaintances, their downsii would keep on growing taller, maybe as tall as this wall in the future that I'm trying to show you right now. So as a preemptive measure, I have planted it there, and I am preempting that it will grow taller. As it will grow taller, it will be heavier. That is why I have these metal structures. In case it grows as tall as that, then I can bind them with a rope so that they can be as close to the wall as possible, or it will be able to support itself. Because as I have experience with Sansevierias that are stacking up in height, or the leaves keeps on growing, they become very heavy, and sometimes you need to top cut them because they will just fall over. So in my case, I don't really want to top cut my specimens. So what I do is I find a spot where I can plant them. Then I can make or help out with the support system for the heavy top portions of the plant. So like we're discussing right now, this is downsii, and I'm going back and going to focus again. That is the new leaves that is growing on my downsii specimen. This is the back part of the leaves of downsii, so you can see ridges on the leaves, and these are the tips of downsii. They're quite sharp. That's the tip. Alright, so as you can see, it's there is again some sort of a blood-like coloring before you see the lighter color of the spike. And going back to the base stem of the plant, you will see this leaf compared to the Kitonga species that we have discussed. The channels are very deep, and they are from the bottom to at least 1/4 of the topmost portion of the leaf. So from the base to 1/4 of the end part of the leaf. So there is a little leaf canal. It really doesn't end 1/4, but it goes through until the bottom part, but you can barely notice it. So that's one of the characteristics that we can differentiate between the species found in Kitonga and the downsii species itself. These are the older leaves of downsii. As you can see, the leaf canals are from the base part of the leaf to the end part of the spike. So there you go. These are the leaf canals, and they are very evident, and they reach up to the end part of the leaf tip. As I focus closer, the ridges that I have spoken about, they seem to be also dark green markings on the that's on the bottom part of the leaf, or the abaxial part of the leaf. In terms of the smoothness, what I can say by touching it is the abaxial is smooth, and the inside, the leaf canal, which is supposedly the adaxial part of the leaf, is also smooth by the touch. It's smooth. Smooth on the adaxial, smooth on the adaxial part, and on the back part I can feel a little roughness on them. So smooth on the adaxial, and the back part, abaxial, it's kinda rough to the touch. This one's a new leaf, so I can't feel the roughness, but on the older leaves I could feel the roughness of the leaves texture. So again, we're discussing the species downsii, and to give you some of the history or the origin of the plant that I have, my Sansevieria downsii has very long stolons found in the ground, and my specimen itself is similar in looks to the one that was found in Mulungu district in Cabo Delgado province, that is in Africa. And there is also one found in culture, but that downsii is not as dark as what you see right now. The downsii that's found in culture is light green in coloration. There are also other downsii species that were found by Ersnt Specks with the collection numbers ES22299, that is found in Tanzania Iringa, but I don't have pictures of it. I have pictures of the one that was found in Mulungu, and this is the most similar downsii as comparison to what I have right now. Now going back, there are other Ersnt Specks collections of downsiis as well, but like I said, I have not seen them in actuality. So these are the numbers. The first one that I mentioned is 22299, found in Tanzania Iringa. Second one is 22593. 22593 is found in Malawi. The next number to it, 22594, is also found in Malawi. There are a lot of downsiis found in Malawi. Richards was able to find or collect a downsii from Malawi as well, but in Harare, and he assigned a collection number for it, R2279. So those are the collection numbers involving the species downsii. And thank you for watching, everyone, and if you like the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, everyone.